Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. Today I'm planning to make fish cake. It's pretty easy and straightforward recipe. You just need few ingredients to make it. It tastes very delicious. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So for this recipe I have two medium-sized potato. We're gonna bake this potato first. We just bake as is. And now we're gonna marinate our fish. So you can use any kind of fish, even a canned fish also. So I have it here, fillet of sole fish. So I'm gonna marinate first. I'm gonna put some cracked pepper all over. Lots of cracked pepper, salt, we're gonna turn the side and do the same thing again. Now we're gonna fry them, pan fry. So our oil is hot, so now we're gonna fry our fish. So now we're gonna turn the side of the fish, very gentle fish. So the fish is cooked, so I'm going to take it out. So our potato is baked. So I'm going to cut it into the middle. And see, nice and soft. We're going to cut both of them. And then I'm going to hold, it's very hot, so I'm going to hold in my hand a piece of towel. Like this. I'm going to take out the flesh, all the flesh from the potato. So now I'm going to smash our potato. And then I'm going to add a cup of onion, red chili pepper, actually red pepper, green onion, green chili. So everything is like 4 tablespoons. Chili is 2 tablespoons. Coriander, chop. So I'm adding fish also. This we cook earlier. And then I'm gonna add 1 whole egg, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of coriander, salt, black pepper. And then we're gonna mix everything together. We make our fish cake and then we're gonna breadcrumb them. So first we're gonna dust it in the flour. It's a regular flour. Like this, then in an egg wash and into the breadcrumb. It's very delicate, so be careful. Just like this. Oil is hot, so we're gonna just let it in there. So now we're going to turn the side. So have a look. It's nice and brown. So our fish cake is ready. I'm gonna remove from our frying pan. Let it rest. I'm gonna fry all of them and then we're gonna do some presentation. So our lovely fish cake is ready. Look amazing. See the color? Wow. I have here spicy tartar sauce. I'm gonna put the recipe for spicy tartar sauce in the description. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out really nice, look delicious. Please do try this recipe. It's pretty straightforward, easy to make at home, and it's a very quick and delicious snack. Please follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you like our video, consider subscribing our channel. I will be back pretty soon. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz everyone.